Hey everyone, welcome back. I am going to attempt to make something with a 3D printer. I'm gonna try to make Mira's weapon from K-pop Demon Hunters. I'm obsessed with this movie. It's such a good movie, and if you haven't watched it, you should watch it. I'm going to try to be Mira for Halloween, so we're gonna be needing her weapon, obviously, to fight off these demons. Now to start off, we're gonna be needing filament. So I ordered some purple translucent filament for the blades and glowy parts. Oh yeah, did I mention I'm going to try to make this glow? Yeah, this is my first 3D project, and I think it's a little ambitious, but it's how I roll. But we have the purple clear filament and then the gold. This should be enough, but it's going to be coming in 2 days. But this is what the sword will hopefully look like whenever we're all done with it. Let me show you the 3D printer. The Ender 3, I think. It's been collecting dust for years, so I thought I'd put it to use. We also have some leftover white filament, and I'm going to be testing a few pieces of this pattern or file to make sure that it works properly. I also just remembered that I need a card, a little SD card. I have one, but it's currently in my camera. So it was already in the printer, and I already have the adapter for it. So I just need to insert it and plug this into the computer and download the file. I already bought the file for it because I don't want to try to sculpt it myself, but we need to try to get the printer set up. So I'm going to be needing to open up the Cura app and get it connected. Let me go plug in the 3D printer. We're on. See how much a test print is. And let's make an account, because why the heck not? I think we have it all set up or connected. Let's try to get the files in here. And I was listening, oh, only an hour? Honestly, I was expecting that to be a little longer than that. Let me get everything set up and then we'll print one of the bells. This printer is very loud, so if you hear a little fan, it's just this. We're also going to pause this print real quick because I need to get the filament in and dust it off. It is so noisy in my room right now. And also the lighting's not great. Let me just did test print from the Tiny Charm, and I got this bell. And yeah, it 3D printed the ball inside the bell, which is so cool. And I'm doing another test print of another small item. Okay, I think we're good. We're good, we're printing. But this is so cool. But all I gotta do now is, once I make sure that this will work for larger prints, then I'll put in the new filament that I got, which should be arriving tomorrow. Got gold and then a translucent purple. And I didn't want to test anything too big because one of the too big items that I can't really print on here, I have to split it, would take 18 hours. Yeah. I also want to start another project, not a 3D printing one, just one for Blender for virtual reality. I went to a world last night with some friends and friends of friends, and it was a tavern world, and it kind of was like a Renaissance fair type of theme. I kind of want to make an elf avatar, so I'm ready to go to Renaissance fairs in VR. I always wanted to go to one in real life, but I don't know anyone who would go with me. I just feel like they'd be so much fun. And I think I'm gonna time-lapse this, so you guys are going to see how I make an avatar. It's not really gonna be a tutorial because I don't know it that well just yet. Enjoy the time lapse. We took a shower and don't mind the towel on the head. So with my avatar, it tweaked out. I don't know what happened to the hands or whatever, but I remade it in like half the time because I already knew what I was doing and I already had all the assets, so it wasn't that hard. But I exported it again and got it into Unity and we're all good. And this is what the avatar looks like in VR. It's so pretty. I love it so much. I added glitter to the hair and the skin to give it more of that fairy vibe. And we also added wings. And since I love dark colors contrasted on like really pale skin, like how I normally dress, I love how this fairy looks. She's so cute, so pretty. And she might be one of my main avatars that I use. Welcome back to day 2 of working on Mira's sword. We have the gold filament in, and one of the prints are currently being printed right now. Sorry if it's noisy, I have like so many noises in here. But there's one of the bells being printed with my gold filament. So I don't have to change the filament as much. I'm going to print everything that is gold first, and then we'll go to clear, which I think would be the most basic way of doing this. But that's just my strategy. Maybe there's some people who would do it differently. But there are some items that are going to be almost 20 hours long to print. So I think I'm going to do the smaller prints first. And then we'll do the bigger ones later. But I just realized on my slicing software, it tells me, if it will focus, how much grams it will use. And each roll I got is 1 kilogram. So I had to do a little bit of converting. But it's 1,000 grams and 1 kilogram. So I just subtract it. So hopefully I'll have enough. I don't want to go through slicing everything. Oh, I did order stuff from Shein for my Halloween outfit. I got these warmers, or like hand warmers, for the arm part. And whenever I try to make a costume or a cosplay, whatever, I try to find items that I will wear again. Because I don't want to get like a $100 suit just to wear it once and then never wear it again. And then this is the under mesh top. We are going to be wearing something over this, just for a little extra warmth. Then this shirt, I love this shirt. Turtleneck, no sleeves, asymmetrical bottom, love it. I got a purple tassel, a silver earring cuff, and look at these cool, dope earrings. And I'm not really sure about this because usually whenever you buy a wig, it should be like a good quality one. But this is a wig from Shein, so I'm hoping it's good. It was 18 bucks. I mean, this is what it's showing, that you're going to be getting this. So I'm hoping it looks that good. I mean, it looks like it's a cool pink, which is a good thing. And I even have a cool transition video that I'm going to be doing. Let me just play you.
To be fair, that's also something a magician would do. Oh, those are demons, and we're gonna kill them. Let's get battle ready. Let's go kill these guys.
So yeah, we're going to be doing a cool transition video. Hoping I'm going to get some good shots. I'm even going to do my nails too.